officially known as the Republic of Turkey, is a transcontinental country located mainly on the Anatolian Peninsula in Western Asia, with a smaller portion on the Balkan Peninsula in Southeast Europe. Known for its rich history, cultural diversity, and strategic location, Turkey serves as a bridge between East and West. Here's a curated list of the top 10 places to visit in Turkey, ensuring an unforgettable adventure. Istanbul. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Istanbul, once the capital of the Ottoman Empire. Explore the majestic Hagia Sophia, a former Byzantine church, mosque, and now a museum showcasing stunning architecture and mosaics. Marvel at the awe-inspiring Blue Mosque, renowned for its 6 minarets and intricate tilework. Wander through the Grand Bazaar, a labyrinthine marketplace overflowing with spices, carpets, and local crafts. Take a cruise along the Bosphorus Strait, separating Europe and Asia, and admire the Dolmabahce Palace, a lavish example of Ottoman opulence. Cappadocia. Journey to Cappadocia, a wonderland sculpted by volcanic eruptions. Witness the otherworldly landscape of fairy chimneys, unique rock formations used as dwellings in churches by early Christians. Explore these cave dwellings and admire the Byzantine frescoes adorning the walls. Take a hot air balloon ride at sunrise for breathtaking panoramic views of the valleys and rock formations. Turquoise Coast. Unwind on the stunning Turquoise Coast, a Mediterranean paradise known for its crystal clear waters, beautiful beaches, and charming coastal towns. Relax on the beach in Antalya, explore the ruins of ancient Phaselis, or sail around the Kekova Island archipelago, dotted with sunken ruins. Visit the lively resort town of Kaz, or discover the captivating underwater world through diving or snorkeling in crystal-clear bays. Ephesus. Step back in time at Ephesus, one of the best-preserved Greco-Roman cities in the Eastern Mediterranean. Walk along the marble streets, marvel at the Library of Celsus, and explore the Great Theater, once a venue for plays and gladiatorial contests. Imagine the grandeur of this ancient city, a major commercial center during its time. Pamukkale. Witness the surreal beauty of Pamukkale, meaning Cotton Castle in Turkish. Hierapolis, an ancient Greco-Roman city, sits atop unique white travertine terraces created by mineral-rich thermal springs cascading down the slopes for millennia. Bathe in the Cleopatra Pool, a natural pool amidst the travertines, or explore the ruins of the ancient city. Mardin. Embark on a cultural adventure in Mardin, a southeastern city known for its unique architecture. Explore the Old Town, a maze of narrow alleys lined with houses built from honey-colored stone. Visit the Syriac Orthodox churches, some dating back to the 4th century, and marvel at their intricate stonework and religious art. Mardin offers stunning views of the Mesopotamian plains below. Eastern Black Sea coast. Discover the lush green landscapes and charming villages along the eastern Black Sea coast. Hike through the Kakar Mountains National Park, a paradise for nature lovers. Explore the historical town of Uzungul, known for its lake surrounded by mountains. Savor the unique cuisine of the region, featuring fresh seafood and hazelnut dishes. Bodrum. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Bodrum, a coastal resort town known for its lively nightlife, historical sites, and beautiful beaches. Explore the Bodrum Castle, a medieval fortress overlooking the harbor. Visit the mausoleum at Halikarnassus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Relax on the beaches of Bodrum Peninsula, or explore the nearby Greek islands on a day trip. Kaz. Escape the crowds and discover the hidden gem of Kaz, a charming town nestled between mountains and the Mediterranean Sea. Relax on the beautiful beaches, explore the ruins of ancient Antiphelos, or take a boat trip to Kekova Island, known for its sunken city. Kaz offers a relaxed atmosphere and stunning natural beauty. Mount Nemrut. For history buffs and nature enthusiasts, Mount Nemrut offers a unique experience. Located in southeastern Turkey, this mountain peak is home to the remarkable tombs of the kings of Commagene, dating back to the 1st century BC. Giant statues of lions, eagles, and gods flank the colossal heads of the kings, creating an awe-inspiring open-air mausoleum. The mountain also boasts stunning panoramic views, especially at sunrise. Sanliurfa. Explore the rich history and culture of Sanliurfa, a city in southeastern Turkey believed to be the birthplace of Abraham. Visit Göbekli Tepe, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring mysterious megalithic structures dating back to 9,000–10,000 BC. Explore the historic city center, with its mosques, bazaars, and caravanserai inns for travelers. Sanliurfa offers a glimpse into the region's ancient past and vibrant present.